youth them.
But you think that we're talking about Gullybop, but you feel like that's where it would have went with Gullybop?
Alright, I'll give you a joke. The first year, I'll tell you something. Me watch everything. When I say Gullybop bus is Grantspen. Grantspen is a place that me run up and down with. Me give the youths in Grantspen power wash machine, vacuum for open them car wash. Me grow with the youths and we say them are done in a Grantspen. Them go Grantspen and say them have to look support us Gullybop for Gusting. And if them give a 3,000 ticket, you feel like Ninjaman fan in that 3,000 ticket crew there?
Get there, sir.
Because if Ninjaman fan there, you say I get free ticket for Gusting. You ain't go. Boom, me Gusting now. And something crap up. Where, take for instance, me walk out on the stage. Me know when me walk out and say the first 2 words, Gullybop I get nervous. And him cannot do it. There is no way Gullybop can do 10 songs right now in front of me. And me I tell Gullybop, say, talk 10 tune and 1 me I use and kill you. And when he go 3, him I go buck shuffle. When they buck shuffling, they go on. People are going to start change them focus. People who are say Gullybop and never really mean it, are going to switch back to them gaga. It will cause a confusion in the showground. It will cause fans would have either in an argument from same place at Grantspen. Me have to look from which part war I come from to where to lead. That's why I not do fool move, you know. If them people them start defending Ninjaman, at Grantspen everybody come from in the bus. You find say if them carry 3 bus over there, 2 going back a war. And one of the bus I say, oh, a joke enough you go answer. Say end up it could have cost gunshot for start finding. For Ninjaman name, me not depend on something there, you know.
And
me not something there. Me never lose my cool in a music yet. I know that entertainment is entertainment.
Yeah.
And when you come out for entertain the people them. And if you have to sacrifice of a man licking in your face and you have to walk away and just know say I saw it go because of entertainment.
Yeah.
Because when you're on the stage as a star, you're there to perform as a star, you're not there to war. You understand me? And if this thing are gonna lead up in a war, me nah go. Then Mr. Leng don't business about nobody where nothing where reach nobody pan in show.
You just making money and that's it.
And then money they make and then gone. There's no care for you after the show, no care for you before the show. They don't go care them after you is to get you to perform on the show. If you have that standard to them.
That appeal.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you don't have the qualification or the quality, you cannot perform.
What I think about the
and then again, them about next thing again, I tell you say. And these are the reasons why I'm not too in and working with this thing. Them don't want to pay the artists them money. But yes, thing every one of them young artists they will say I perform. Who know when the one they will come from foreign, them have to pay 3,000 US to 2,000 US have to perform and sting. The one them from Jamaica pay 80,000, 100,000, depends on the time when they go and go perform. You know. Every one of them young artists there, you know, have to pay the promotion to get a blind to go up and sting. And we will make sting. Now I get no pay.
Wow.
You're mad.
Young artists have to pay to go on sting.
Go find out no. Man call me
that's not really hard to believe.
No, but you thought that it would be the other way around. Like, you know, if you're going to be on sting.
I see certain people being announced for sting.
No,
I'm like, this seem like them pay for go.
I want you to know that, you know. When you're sure with certain stage and certain status, it pulls certain energy. If a promoter want him artist to get a highlight, the manager him responsible for pay if put the artist when to go.
So they'll fuck it out.
Yeah,
as long as there's like what, how much 100,000 people looking at you.
Sting is a show where people come to see
all over the world.
But at the end of the day, you collect money for young artists perform. And then no one pay a big artist where keep the show going. Yeah? Or then we got pay a rap artist 100,000 US to come to Jamaica come perform. But then no one be then no one pay the man them we rock the place all time for perform. So I'm not too interested in them and then show until people are dealing with money right now. I'm good.
Me there got ask you.